Hello family, it is Reina again with a tip. I am sharing a tip about how I make paper masks. You know, this stuff that's going on with the coronavirus, the one thing that I know for sure is whatever line of defense you can have, a barrier between others and you and others. You know, if you're sick, you need to cover your mouth and your nose and vice versa. So, you know, folks are saying, well, I can't find a mask. Well, back in the day, when I was working with hairdressers, we used to make our own masks out of paper towels. So I'm going to show you what we used to do. You know, when you were younger, you probably made a fan using this method. You know, you go back and forth, and then you fold it in the middle, and then you got a nice fan. Well, this is the basis. And so, you know, with paper towels, they come perforated now. So you want 2 of your small size or 1 full sheet. And so you want it to be able to go back and forth like this. Okay? The other thing that you need are 2 bands. These are elastic bands that I use for hair. And you need this size. You don't want the small ones because you want this to be comfortable. You need something about this size. So I don't know if this is a medium or large, but you don't want something this small, okay? And the process goes like this. You lay it down, you put your band here, and you just fold it over. And make sure it's secure, and make sure you have ample room to staple, because that's what you're gonna do. So you take your stapler, and I make 2 staples on each side, you know, because I'm going to use it a couple times probably. All right, so here you have that. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So folks say, well, it's not an N95 mask. No, it's not an N95 mask, but it is a line of defense. And if you can't get a mask, don't have the money to buy a mask, can't find a mask, then you can make your own little mask. This is the easiest way to do it. All I know is it works. So here's the other part of the process that I make it so that it's a little more secure. Here you go. You got your mask. So then what I do is I take another piece of paper towel, and I love me some Bounty because it is super absorbent. Anyway, I take it and I place it inside the mask like this. So again, I'm creating another line. So if I cough or sneeze, then it's going to catch it in my mask. You see that? Okay. So very straightforward. And then the other thing that I do is I take some cotton, and I put a little cotton in my nose, and then I put my mask on top of it. So again, all these different barriers and lines of defense against the virus. So, you know, people laugh at this and say it's funny, but let me tell you something, folks. It works. It works for sure. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on. Give me a second. Okay, let me get this mask on. Adjust it here. Here we go. All right. Here it is, folks. I have my coronavirus mask on. And trust me, it's secure. It works. It looks a little funny, but trust me, it works if you work it. Have a great day. Love from Reina.